Please watch to the end. Comment and respond to other people's comments.
Clarksville police confirm a road rage incident ended with gunfire. Investigators say 2 drivers were involved in an altercation on I-65 South Thursday afternoon. They took exit 1 and stopped on US 31 before Stansifer Avenue. According to police, both drivers got out before 35-year-old Eric Luckenbill was shot. He went to the hospital and later died. Police are not saying whether the other driver is in custody or if any charges will be filed.
I'm Josh Ninke. Just within the last hour, we received new details about a deadly road rage incident in Clarksville from yesterday. Ward Jollis joins us now with the latest from police in this breaking news alert.
Yeah, Josh, it happened yesterday afternoon over in Clarksville. A man died after some type of road rage incident, but until now, police had not told us a whole lot about what exactly happened. Well, they now say that 2 vehicles were involved and that the road rage incident initially started over on I-65 southbound. The 2 vehicles eventually stopped near US 31 South at Stansifer Avenue, and the drivers got out and approached.
Anytime there's an accident and people get out the vehicle, it never ends good for someone.
Each other. Then some type of confrontation took place and shots were fired. A man later died. At this point, police have not said if either driver or anyone else is in custody, though. Clarksville police say this is an open and active investigation, and it'll likely take some time before they're able to release more details on this, but they say there is no threat to the general public. Josh?
That's at least good news. Thanks, Ward.